So we're back with Bedrock 3. We're going to use again Bedrock to make a API code to one of the Amazon's foundational models. We have our imports in here at the top. We're going to read this file. So we have this code transcript here between a salesperson and a potential client. And then once we open the file and we read the file, we're going to initialize our runtime. We call Bedrock 3 and we pass the service name, which is Bedrock runtime. We pass the name of the region closest to you, and then we prepare the prompt in here. We have a simple prompt for this one to summarize the following code transcript in just 3 sentences. We pass a couple of new lines, and then we pass the transcript text in there. And then we prepare the body. We use JSON dumps to prepare the JSON object. For the AWS objects, we need to provide the input text, which is going to be the prompt. The prompt is going to have the transcript text. Then we need to provide the text configuration config. Here we can pass the max token count and the temperature. I'm going to keep it at 0 because we want to summarize the transcript here. And then we go down here and we can invoke our model using the Bedrock runtime that we created. Calling invoke model, we pass the body, and then we pass the model ID. We're using Amazon Titan text live v1, and then we print out the response, and then we get the JSON body, we parse it, and we console log it as well, or print it. Let's run the script here. This is going to take a few seconds to come back, and then we're going to see the information at the bottom. Here we got the response, the metadata, and everything in there. And here we got the output text. Here we can see we said summarize the code transcript in just 3 sentences. And it looks very short, but what I see, 1, 2, is more than 3 sentences. But that's fine. It did a quick summary in here. So if we wanted to have a better output, we can do a few prompt instead of just a simple prompt, or maybe reduce the token count in here that we can allow. It depends. We can play around with this, but here we get the solution or the response that we wanted to see. If we look at the documentation, we can see that for the Amazon Titan models, we can see the config here. We can pass the text input, and the temperature, and the tap P, max token count, and stop sequences as well. So we use just what we needed from here, but in the documentation you have a few examples and everything